This program is powered by
उच्च सोचको निर्माण सगरमाथा सिमेन्ट जुनी जुनीलाई
Namaskar अनि स्वागत छ. Welcome to yet another brand new episode of Chia Golf. You're watching Prime Times HD र म हुँ आयुषा चालिसे. हरेक बिहानी जसरी आज पनि हामी चिया गफका साथ आइसकेका छौं र चिया गफमा चाहिँ हामी चियाका साथसाथै we also have interesting प्रसंगहरू हैन, interesting concept interesting कन्टेक्स्टहरू हुन्छ र आज पनि त्यही सन्दर्भमा हामीसँग कोही यस्तो हुनुहुन्छ जसले चाहिँ हामी सबैको मनमा राज गर्न सफल हुनु भएको छ हैन. She is very well spoken, very eloquent, very beautiful and talented, Miss Nepal Earth 2020, Supriya Shrestha. We will be right back in conversation with her. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to Chia Golf. Chia Golf ma feri pani swagat cha ra tapailai pani swagat cha show ma.
Thank you, Ayusha, and that was a very nice yet kasto cringe feel bhayeko. Especially you describing me. Like, we're more of friends than you know being on this setting. So thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much for being here, and I think it's good. This change is good because पहिला चाहिँ हामी co-host भएर सँगै live जान्थ्यौ भने it's an honor to interview you. Thank you so much for coming.
And it's so good to see that you've grown so much, and I think it's the whole point about being friends and everything is you know to see each other grow. I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to see you progress. And yes, I am very much looking forward to how it goes today.
Yes, actually, हामीले चिया गफ त धेरै चोटी गरिसक्यौं लाइफमा हैन.
चिया, coffee,
everything हैन. So आज पनि we are continuing हाम्रो गफ गर्ने हैन. So हामीले चाहिँ अब चिया गफमा चाहिँ we usually talk about you. So I know everything, but हाम्रो audience को लागि भनेर we have to do this हैन. So आज चाहिँ so recently you released your video हैन अब Miss Earth को लागि. So congratulations on
Thank
that.
you so much.
यस्तो राम्रो video बनेको छ हैन.
Thank you, thank you.
So I want to talk a little about this video where you talk about Nepal को बारेमा हैन, because I know अब हामीले एकअर्कालाई चिनेकै यति धेरै भइसक्यो. I know you're very passionate about Nepal हैन, नेपालमै काम गर्ने, नेपालमै पढ्ने भनेर. You want to be a manpower of this country for this country हैन. So यो भिडियोको आइडिया चाहिँ कसरी ल्याउनु भयो?
So मैले भिडियोमा पनि थोरै मेन्सन गरेको छु. मलाई पहिल्यैदेखि I don't know, I have this attachment with Nepal. सानैदेखि I don't know why बाहिर पढ्न जाऊ भन्दा पनि I never wanted to leave Nepal. I think it's the people, I think it's you guys, everyone. And I've just had a very special corner for Nepal. एकदम मन पर्छ मलाई नेपाल. अनि त्यही भ्याल्युज लिएर ग्रो अप हुँदा I think पहिला हामीलाई सोशल स्टडीजमा एउटा क्वेसन आउँथ्यो नि, नेपाल इज अ वर्ल्ड इन इटसेल्फ एक्सप्लेन भनेर आउँथ्यो नि. सो आई डिडन्ट अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड इट मच ब्याक देन. तर ठुलो भएर बुझ्दै जाँदाखेरि नेपालको सबै स्कोपहरू चाहिँ एक्सप्लोर गर्दै गर्दाखेरि नेपाल इज सो स्पेसल भन्ने कुरा बुझ्दै गएँ मैले. अनि देयर वाज दिस वान टाइम आई ह्याड टु राइट दिस आर्टिकल अबाउट नेपाल कि. सो अब अलिकति रिसर्च त गरिन्छ नि त. सो आई वाज गोइङ थ्रु वान अफ दिस युट्युब भिडियोज. इट वाज मेड बाई अ फरेनर होइन. अनि टाइटल के थियो भन्दाखेरि Nepal is a poor country but rich in biodiversity. And that line hit me so hard. I mean, what do you mean by rich and what do you mean by poor? Exactly. So poverty भन्ने कुरा कि इकोनोमीले मात्रै हुन्छ. Just because we are backward in some aspects which we're still growing up with, it doesn't mean it's your identity. But as a person पनि हामी कति धेरै फ्लजहरू हुन्छ. But you are known because you're a good speaker. Ayusha is known because she's a good speaker. I am known because of the strength that I have in me, which I am capable of. So this context man say, why are we just recognizing Nepal on the basis of the flaws we have? Flaws पनि भन्दैन. I think the areas of improvement, I would rather see it that हैन. कति धेरै कुरा छ नेपालमा जुन चाहिँ अरु देशहरुमा छैन हैन. We're the 42nd largest country, in fact, and if we look at it that way, we're not a small country anymore.
Exactly, we're not a small country. I know. I'm internalize garna zaruri cha because out of more than 200 plus country, I'm 50 first 50 my पर्छ area wise पनि र population पनि 30 million हाराहारीमा छ which is a huge size
know.
हैन so त्यही भएर I think we
प्लस
should
अर्को के छ भन्दा हाम्रो त्यही मानसिकताले हुर्काइन्छ नि त नेपाल सानो देश हो हामी दुईवटा ठुला ठुला बिचको लाइक स्यान्डविच बिट्विन टु स्टोन्स भनेर हुर्काइन्छ नेपालमा यो छैन त्यो छैन हामी यो कुराको लागि विदेशमा डिपेन्डेन्ट छ भने त्यो कुराहरू सिकाइन्छ तर हाम्रो एक्चुअल जुन स्ट्रेन्थ छ स्कोप छ जुनलाई चाहिँ हामी प्रमोट गर्न सक्छौँ होइन त्यो कुरामा चाहिँ त्यति फोकस गरिँदैन नि त सो एज सुन एज आई वान दिस टाइटल मैले माइन्ड मेकअप गरिसकेको थिएँ when I go to my international pageant, I will do such a project that will highlight the strength of Nepal, that will highlight the pride of Nepal, what we are good at. I need to research गर्दै जाँदाखेरि I sat down with a lot of experts अनि climate expertsहरुसँग बसे के चाहिँ गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर कुरा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ so we came up this idea of ET अथवा डुङ्गेधारा भनिन्छ अनि sadly as youths पनि हामीलाई हाम्रो कल्चरल हेरिटेजको बारेमा त्यति धेरै नलेज हुँदैन नि त so the more I got involved in this project the more interesting it became अनि अब त I have this special corner for this project in my heart अनि I'm sure once we get this done it's going to create wonders in the international platform at least this is one thing हुन्छ नि that stands out in Nepal among all the countries so yes effort चाहिँ it's going on it's a work in progress.
That's great. So it's good to know कि अब you're working with climate experts
Yes,
अनि
yes.
अब नेपालमा त धेरै डाइभर्सिटी छ in terms of indigenous communityहरु पनि हैन so यो climate change अनि climate-लाई मेन्टेन गर्ने र environment-लाई मेन्टेन गर्ने कुरामा चाहिँ indigenous communityहरुको ठूलो हात हुन्छ नि त so यही क्रममा चाहिँ have you come across any of such instances?
Not one instance in particular, but जुन local community हुनुहुन्छ त्यताको so मैले जुन particular site choose गरेको चाहिँ आफ्नो project को लागि it's the Dhobi area of Dhobi Chaur भन्छ त्यसलाई it's in ward number 17 काठमाडौँको so त्यहाँ चाहिँ Dhobi community हरु reside गर्नुहुन्छ so उहाँहरुसँग कुरा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ interaction गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के कुरा थाहा पाएँ भन्दा उहाँहरुको the only source of water used to be ढुङ्गेधारा हैन पहिला चाहिँ उहाँहरुको जीविकोपार्जनको लागि आफ्नो occupation चलाउनको लागि त्यही हुन्थ्यो तर in course of time त्यो ढुङ्गेधाराको पानी सुक्दै गएपछि चाहिँ they had to buy water right to sustain with their occupation अनि let's say 10,000 उहाँहरुको इन्कम हुन्थ्यो भने 7,000 त पानी किन्दै जान्थ्यो हैन so बिस्तारै they started giving up that income अनि अरूतिर नै लाग्नु पर्छ कि जस्तो मानसिकता चाहिँ डेभलप गर्नुभयो उहाँहरुले but I think जुन एउटा ट्रेडिसनल अक्युपेसन भन्ने कुरा छ that is also our identity नि त it's one of its kind it's unique so त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ कन्टिन्युटी दिनुपर्छ जस्तो फिल भयो मलाई अनि त्यसपछि imagine once water starts flowing out from there it's going to be there for thousands and thousands of years हैन so it's such an amazing system हैन अब अहिले जता पनि fossil fuels petrol diesel चाहिँ बर्न गरिरहेको मान्छेले insane pollution भइरहेको छ but we have a system in our country जुन चाहिँ ग्राभिटी कै सिस्टमबाट नै पानी आइरहन्छ यसमा 2-3,000 वर्षसम्म so त्यो पानीले चाहिँ धोबी कम्युनिटीलाई पनि सस्टेन गर्न चाहिँ हेल्प गर्नुहुन्छ so हिटीको एउटा एस्थेटिक भ्याल्यु त सर्भ भइ नै हाल्यो प्लस इट इज हेल्पिङ समवन अर्न देयर लाइभलीहुड सो व्हाट मोर डु यु नीड देन दैट सो यो दुईटा कुरा फ्याक्टर्सहरु एनालाइज गरेपछि चाहिँ वी आर रनिङ दिस प्रोजेक्ट अनि सो फार कम्युनिटीबाट वार्डबाट एकदमै राम्रो सपोर्ट आइरहेको छ but we're still yet to go but I'm sure we'll make it happen.
That's great and we also extend our support of obviously as a friend as a team
yes, thank you so
we
much.
extend our support so eti bela say we'll watch this short video and then we will be right back. Welcome back. Well, that was a fundraising video, and so यहाँको project को बारेमा केही glimpse पायौं हामीले. So we just talked about the project पनि हैन. So Miss Earth को लागि यो preparation मा चाहिँ you also have to make एउटा eco video नि त हैन. अनि प्रिया सिग्देलले चाहिँ eco video को best eco video को title पनि जित्नु भएको थियो हैन. So I want to talk about what is your अब eco video को ideas हरु के छ अथवा what are your plans? What's cooking?
So it's definitely a surprise. सबै कुरा चाहिँ म भन्दिन but अलिकति idea दिनु पर्दा like I said my core values have always been highlighting the strength of Nepal. नेपालमा खतरा चाहिँ के छ हैन त्यो सबै कुरालाई चाहिँ पाइल अप गरेर कम्पाइल गरेर एउटा भिडियोमा देखाउने हैन इट्स अ भेरी टफ जब हैन अनि त्यो शूट गर्दै गएपछि थाहा हुँदो रहेछ कि सो व्हेन यु स्टार्ट राइटिङ द स्क्रिप्ट यो पछि यो गर्ने भनेर इट्स सो सर्टेन एन्ड प्लान बट व्हेन यु एक्चुअली स्टार्ट डुइङ द थिङ इट्स भेरी डिफिकल्ट तर I am glad that I have an amazing team who's making my eco video, you know.
Right.
I'd like to take their names. I have Santosh Chantyal with me, he's amazing. I have Anish with me. I have Hitesh who's doing my script and everything. I have Neha for my makeup. So it's like they are my pillars.
Backbone.
Once I start giving up, they always push me. So there was this time in Pokhara, having गइरहेको थियो. I am mad scared of heights. के तपाईको त्यो स्टेयर्सहरु हुन्छ नि त्यसको तल हेर्न पनि मलाई डर लाग्छ हैन त्यस्तो मान्छेलाई. So I was wearing this gown, I was wearing my Converse and they made me climb this uphill हुन्छ नि त्यो पनि like I had like I think यति नै एरिया थियो होला to stand, that was it. त्यो पनि uneven थियो. And if you look तर त्यो भिर हुन्छ नि it was that too with my crown on.
Sounds so
They made me do
scary.
that. And they made me do it भन्दा पनि the way they pushed me हुन्छ you can do it जाऊ भनेर.
You felt like doing it.
I felt like doing it. अनि outcome चाहिँ धेरै राम्रो आएको छ, which we'll get to see in the video
I'm
later.
very excited. म चाहिँ एकदम excited छु.
अनि
to see the
outcome
video.
चाहिँ राम्रो आएको छ, but हुन्छ नि they are one of those people हुन्छ नि who really push you to do good in life. के अनि
Right.
एउटा युनिटी भन्ने जुन कुरा हुन्छ काम गर्न एकदमै सजिलो बनाउनुहुन्छ. In fact, if it were not for them, I think I would have given up for this eco video by now.
Right.
हैन. So thank you to all my team and are still it's still a work in progress eco video अझै पनि बन्दै छ, but I'm sure whatever we do जस्तो बने पनि we're already a winner, so I'm very glad that I have an amazing team.
That's so nice to hear, and I wish you all the best with that also, you know, because eco video भनेपछि and especially because of your project पनि highlight हुन्छ.
Yes.
हैन?
So the eco video को the core चाहिँ project नै हो, so it all revolves around that.
Right.
So planning र implementation त राम्रै भइरहेछ. Let's see how it comes
So यो
out.
भिडियो चाहिँ हामीले कहिले हेर्न पाउँछौँ?
हाम्रो रिलिज चाहिँ November 5 रहेछ, so 1-2 दिन तलमाथि हुन सक्छ.
Great. So
fingers
early
crossed.
November, हैन? First week of November सम्म चाहिँ हामीले देख्न पाउँछ. I am really excited. All the best त्यसको लागि पनि हैन. So यति बेला चाहिँ हामीले एउटा छोटो कमर्शियल ब्रेक लिने बेला भइसकेको छ. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back. Welcome back to Chia Golf. Chia Golf मा फेरि पनि तपाईलाई स्वागत छ. म आयुषाको साथमा हुनुहुन्छ र आज हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ मिस नेपाल अर्थ 2020 सुप्रिया श्रेष्ठ. फेरि पनि स्वागत छ सुप्रिया.
Thank you.
So हामी चाहिँ अब यही कुरा गर्दा गर्दै I know अब you are an aspiring diplomat पनि हैन. You want to be a diplomat.
I want to
पछि
be.
हैन.
हुन्छ कि हुँदैन थाहा छैन, but I want to be.
त्यही त. So अब obviously अब diplomat भनेपछि त्यो अलिकति political कुरा भयो अनि now you're in the media अलिकति glam consider गरिन्छ अनि अब मान्छेहरूले सोच्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ एकदम बाइनरी क्या कि त यस्तो हुनुपर्छ कि त यस्तो हुनुपर्छ कि त you can be glam कि त you can be serious हैन. You cannot be both at once भन्ने छ नि त. So how do you see yourself balancing this, because obviously being glamorous अथवा being in the media is a part of you हैन. So how are you going to take this together?
Aisha, I don't think it's really about balancing हैन, किनभने हामीलाई पनि त्यस्तै लाग्थ्यो नि त.
Right.
If you are having fun, if you are looking good, if you're out there, I know like that is your personality.
त्यही त.
अनि if you want to be taken more seriously, you have to be different हैन.
Exactly.
तर अहिले चाहिँ मलाई के लाग्छ भन्दा especially मैले मेरो ट्रेनिङ पिरियड I think 8-9 months भइसकेको छ हैन. I am required to do everything हैन. कहिले म मेरो प्रोजेक्टमा गएर घाँस काटिरहेको हुन्छु, कहिले म स्निकर्समा आम क्लाइम्बिङ ओभर द माउन्टेन्स, कहिले म पुरा ग्ल्याम्प भएर टक्क बसिरहेको हुन्छु, कहिले आइ एम डिलिङ विथ यु नो अल द ब्युरोक्रेट्सहरुसँग डिल गर्नु परिरहेको हुन्छ. सो इट रिक्वायर्स टु यु टु बी एभ्रिथिङ हैन.
Exactly.
I think the same thing applies over here. So I think being a beauty queen is not just about, you know, looking good for the camera,
Right.
looking good for the people, just smiling, being dolled up, glammed up हुन्छ नि. उसले आज के लायो के खायो त्यो भन्दा पनि you want to be taken more seriously because you're
Exactly.
doing so many things in life despite of that. अब I'll give you a few examples. नम्रताकै कुरा गर्नु पर्दा she's building this suspension bridge
Exactly.
दार्जिलिङमा हैन. अनि it's such an amazing job. It's such an
Exactly.
amazing job.
Such an
कति गा-
ambitious-
Yeah, such an ambitious project and she's almost completed it हैन. अब
Right.
soon complete पनि हुन्छ हैन. So by this time I think we know that हुन्छ नि if someone looks like someone and doing a certain kind of thing doesn't mean उसको forte त्यो मात्रै हो भनेर you can be doing anything you want, you can be glamorous and serious at the same time, there is no limit to it हैन.
Exactly.
त्यही भएर I don't think it will really require for me to balance it because we already have it in us. कसरी चाहिँ त्यो साइडलाई निकाल्ने अनि कसरी चाहिँ प्रेसर चाहिँ ह्यान्डल गर्ने त्यसमा चाहिँ डिपेन्ड गर्छ.
But does being having this aim of being a diplomat come from your love for Nepal कि कुन हिसाबमा चाहिँ यो?
Yes. So दुई तीनवटा कुरा छ. अस्ति नै मलाई मिस पनि सोध्नु भएको थियो यो कुरा. So बच्चैदेखि like I've been this person झगडा त म गर्दै गर्दिनँ. I think you know that by now. I never get angry. I don't know, like either I get pissed or it's nothing. I don't really get angry, अनि I used to be that person जस्तै साथीहरूको झगडा भयो भने I used to be the one to sort it out. Suppose A र B झगडा गर्यो भने C चाहिँ म हुन्थेँ अनि जस्तै B लाई गएर A को बारेमा राम्रो कुरा भन्दिने, उलाई गएर राम्रो कुरा भन्दिने. So I used to sort it out. त्यसरी म बच्चैदेखि झगडाहरू सल्भ गर्थेँ कि फ्यामिलीमा होस् हैन बाहिर होस्. Like I used to always be the negotiator and problem solver के बच्चैदेखि I had that skills. अनि जसले पनि मलाई भन्नुहुन्छ even when I give answers, when I do my stuffs हैन, you're a very diplomatic person भनेर भन्नुहुन्छ. यसरी कहाँ आन्सर दिन पाइन्छ? अब I have that in me, I can't help it हुन्छ. अनि अर्को भनेको that skill is there. अनि जस्तै it's definitely my very immense love for Nepal that I have. I want people to know more about Nepal हैन. नेपालको चाहिँ representation गर्न, प्रतिनिधित्व गर्न, नेपालको एउटा voice भनेर different countries-हरुमा जान हैन. What is Nepal all about भनेर चाहिँ त्यो कुरा चाहिँ मलाई प्रचार प्रसार गर्नुपर्छ. I want to be the person who gives out the message about what Nepal actually is हैन among other countries. And also learn from other countries. So Nepal राम्रो छ भन्दैमा it's not that you cannot learn from other countries also because the world is a global village and all the countries are attached to each other. Especially हामीले चाहिँ अहिले के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि we all have earth in common हैन. So सबैजनाको earth हो. So it's so important to know about other countries also. उहाँहरूले के गरिराख्नु भएको छ, के सिक्न सकिन्छ त. So त्यही आदान प्रदान गर्नको लागि चाहिँ I want to become a diplomat. And hopefully after this year, let's see how life goes and where it takes me. So I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to it हैन किनभने I think you will do great whatever you do because you're so hard working हैन. यति बेला हामी अर्को एउटा छोटो क्लिप हेर्छौं and then we will be right back in conversation with Supriya Shrestha. Welcome back. फेरि पनि स्वागत छ. भर्खरै यो भिडियो हेर्दा पनि it just resonated with your answer अघि भर्खरै के मलाई बाहिर गएर चाहिँ नेपालको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्न मन छ भनेर. सो अब आन्सर सेम भए पनि you obviously grown so much as a person होला यो एक वर्ष.
Like looking at that person now, like what was I thinking back then? जस्तो ठुलठुलो कुरा गरेछ नि त. I remember like you हामीले प्रिपेयर गरेर आउनु भन्नु भएको थियो कि भोलिपल्ट. So I wrote this long script हैन, यो पछि यो बोल्ने फेरि हामी त because we worked for live shows, we are more of a spontaneous speaker. We can't really mug it up and say हैन. अनि त्यसपछि त्यो लाइन्सहरु लेखेर गएको थिए अनि त्यसपछि I went there, I was in front of the camera. कति कन्सियस हुन्छ because you're fighting for the dream of your life हैन. Like you take everything so seriously. अनि प्लस जुन त्यो हेयर थियो नि त्यसमा so I wanted to a different kind of hair. अनि त्यहाँ अर्कै गर्दिनु भयो के. So it was looking nice but it was very much out of my comfort zone हैन. So I'm not looking nice भनेर जस्तो फिल भइरहेको थियो. अनि टिम हुनुहुन्थ्यो. I had to speak in front of the camera. I can't believe I went blank. Like having so much experience in the media, my only forte is speaking and I went blank in front of the camera हैन. अनि 8 वटा 10 वटा टेक लिए पनि मैले त I couldn't speak at all and my के भन्ने अब I was so discouraged at that time. What am I doing? This is the ultimate goal of, not the ultimate, but the major goal of my life. And having to do a simple thing like speaking, त्यो पनि मैले गर्न सकिरहेको छैन जस्तो फिल भएको थियो मलाई. So I took some time. Okay, leave it. I don't need the script. I will just say whatever I want to. And then I went on and it went better. So यस्तो पनि रहेछ when you try too hard for something, you ruin it रहेछ के. If you really want something हैन, try गर्नुपर्छ, effort ल्याउनुपर्छ, but कति कुरा चाहिँ let go गरिदिनु पर्दो रहेछ के.
At the same time, I think because you were spontaneous, it came from the heart. Okay? Because when you were trying to remember, it came from the script.
I know.
Spontaneous भएर भन्दाखेरि I think it came from the heart पनि हैन. And I think your message is very well conveyed. I think यो भिडियोहरू अपलोड गर्दाखेरि your video was the most viewed and people liked
yes,
how you
yes.
talked, what you spoke. होइन
Yes,
अनि
yes.
त्यति बेला त you had immense I think expectation from the audience पनि Miss नेपालमा आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ from the beginning नै त्यो first videoमा you went
Yes,
on
yes,
blue
yes.
dress Ariana Grande hairstyle होइन everybody was having
Yes.
एकदमै high expectations
Yes,
from
yes,
you. So
yes.
how did that make you feel?
It was very overwhelming किनभने म चाहिँ अडिसनमा जाँदाखेरि the hair and everything was planned, so I was feeling confident look wise because मैले प्लान गरे जस्तो नै भएको थियो. In fact, it came out to be better because I was never a ponytail person, so if I criteria मा नै ponytail hair भनेर थियो कि, so I have to do something different भनेर अनि we did that, so it that part was sorted. The moment I walked into the audition room, the butterflies feel हुन्छ नि stomachमा, literally that happened होइन. So there was a hall अनि जति हुन्छ नि इमेजिन गरे पनि ओके यस्तो यस्तो हुन्छ यस्तो यस्तो क्वेसन सोध्नुहुन्छ न म यो भन्छु आई गट दिस भनेर गएको थिएँ बट आई वाज ब्ल्याङ्क एट द्याट टाइम होइन अगेन आई हेड टु काम माइ सेल्फ डाउन दिस इज द मोमेन्ट आई हेभ टु डु इट होइन जस्ट गिभ इन यर बेस्ट एन्ड इट्स ओके भनेर आई कन्भिन्स माइ सेल्फ अनि क्वेसन्सहरू सोध्नु भयो इट इज भेरी सिम्पल क्वेसन आई स्पोक फ्रम माई हार्ट होइन अनि त्यसपछि ओके अडिसन त त्यति राम्रो भएन ठिकै छ आई विल मेक इट अप इन अदर राउन्ड्स भनेर फिल भएको थियो. But the moment the video was uploaded on YouTube, oh my god, the messages I received, the flooding messages, oh my god. So, मेरो यो journey जस्तो भयो पनि at the end, even if I make it to the crown or not, I'm happy जस्तो भइसकेको थियो because at the end of the day, you want appreciation from people in what you are good at, right? So, त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ I was very, very encouraged. I was very encouraged because every day तपाईँको च्याटमा मेसेजेस आई मिन इनबक्समा मेसेजेसहरू आउनेदेखि लिएर त्यो कमेन्ट्सभरि नै कति धेरै सपोर्ट थियो होइन अनि सो एउटा गो गेटर चाहिँ मलाई बनाइसकेको थियो. एट द सेम टाइम अलिकति डर चाहिँ के थियो भन्दा डिस्पाइट अफ अल दिस इफ आई डोन्ट मेक इट वाट इज गोइङ टु ह्यापन होइन कति धेरै एक्सपेक्टेसन छ मान्छेबाट कस्तो कुराको पनि डर हुन्थ्यो भन्दाखेरि लाइक वेन यु रियली वान्ट समथिङ होइन त्यो अननेसेसरी हामी कुराहरू खेलाउँछौँ नि त दिमागमा. What if I go blank on the stage? What if I fall on the stage? What if I can't even speak? So worst case पनि हामीले इमेजिन गर्दो रहेछ कि तर बिस्तारै मैले आफूले आफूलाई पुश गर्दै गएँ अनि त्यसपछि it's okay, just be yourself and speak from your heart. That is what you need to do रहेछ लास्टमा अनि it worked out for me that way.
That's great. We can see it worked for you.
Yes.
साथसाथै अब यही प्रोसेसमा चाहिँ अब इन्टरनेट अब बिकज अफ द पेन्डेमिक धेरै कुरा त अनलाइन पनि भयो होइन अनि मोस्ट अफ द प्रेजेन्स अफ मिस नेपाल्स अहिले चाहिँ मेजर हुने भनेको सोसियल मिडियाबाट होइन सो यु गेट इमेन्स लभ फ्रम पिपल यु अल्सो समटाइम्स डोन्ट गेट you know the positive reaction that you expect and despite all the hard work. So has there been instances where you have been like demotivated because of something somebody said online?
Not many times. So एकचोटि चाहिँ के भएको थियो भन्दा there was this fake profile, so all these messages they come from fake profiles है so थियो अनि it said that मैले एउटा के बोलेर भिडियो राखेको थिएँ अनि you only think you're that good, you're not even that good भनेर एकदमै इन्टरनेसनलमा पनि तिम्रो केही पनि हुँदैन भनेर त्यसरी लेख्नु भएको थियो कि सो द्याट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रिसिभ सच मेसेज अनि आई वाज भेरी डिस्करेज भन्दा पनि किन यस्तो गर्नुभयो लाइक वाट इज हि अर सी गेटिङ आउट अफ इट होइन अनि मैले प्रोफाइल हेरेँ इट वाज डेफिनेटली अ फेक प्रोफाइल होइन त्यसपछि के रियलाइज गरेँ भन्दा इफ सम वान इज टेकिङ सो मच टाइम टु मेक अ फेक प्रोफाइल टु जस्ट टु गेट इन माई डिएम्स एन्ड जस्ट टु गेट मी डिस्करेज हुन्छ नि त्यो भनेको त you're getting attention, right? So कसैले मेरो लागि यति धेरै एफर्ट लागिरहेको छ भने I'm sorry, it's not me, but the other person who has a very sad life. He or she really needs to get a life. जस्तो भयो अनि यस्तो त आइ नै रहन्छन् अनि there are always going to be people who are going to pull you down, but there are always going to be people who are going to pull you up. And if you don't have anyone, you have yourself, right? And if you know your intentions are right, you're going on the right path and you don't mean any harm to anyone, it's good. You just keep going. That's it.
That's great. That's actually quite motivating पनि हैन. Anyway, यति बेला चाहिँ हाम्रो अर्को पनि ब्रेकको पालो भइसकेको छ. We will be right back. Welcome ब्याक टु चिया गफमा फेरि पनि स्वागत छ तपाईँलाई। म आयुषासँग हुनुहुन्छ र आज हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ सुप्रिया श्रेष्ठ, मिस्टर पाल अर्थ 2020। फेरि पनि स्वागत छ सोमा। सो इट्स बिन क्वाइट गुड होइन, अब टकिङ अबाउट योर भिजन्स, योर प्लान्स अनि थिङ्स युभ डन होइन। सो आई वान्ट टु आस्क यु, अब इन द लङ टर्म चाहिँ होइन, वाट इज सुप्रियाज भिजन फर नेपाल अथवा वाट इज योर भिजन हुन्छ नि। मलाई चाहिँ यस्तो हुन मन छ। अब आई नो होइन, यु डोन्ट ह्याभ एउटा कङ्क्रिट आइडिया यही नै हुन्छ भन्ने त छैन, बिकज लाइफ ह्यापन्स अनि प्लान्स टेन टु चेन्ज। तर यो अब यति कुरा चाहिँ इन्स्योर हुन्छ अनि म ह्याप्पी हुन्छु भन्ने खालको चाहिँ त्यस्तो केही छ।
इनफ्याक्ट आइसा त्यस्तो हुँदैन रहेछ कि आई थट आम नट सेइङ आम नट ह्याप्पी, तर ओके मिस नेपाल भएपछि चाहिँ मलाई पुग्यो। यति भएपछि चाहिँ मलाई केही चाहिँदैन लाइफमा, वाट एभर फलोज आइम जस्ट गोइङ टु एक्सेप्ट इट। बट the more you get, the more you want भन्छ नि। It's good and bad at the same time, but मैले चाहिँ राम्रै वेमा चाहिँ लिइरहेको छु यसलाई होइन। सो प्लस हामीले जुन कुरा प्लान गर्छौँ नि त्यो एक्ज्याक्टली कहिले पनि त्यसरी हुँदैन रहेछ कि। लाइक the only certain thing about life is that it's uncertain होइन। जुन कुरा अहिले त म आई लिभ one day at a time, स्पेसली पेन्डेमिक पछि लकडाउनहरू भएपछि चाहिँ you really don't know what's going to happen next, right? Like you might walk, touch wood त्यस्तो नहोस्, but you might walk out of your house and never come back again. त्यो पनि हुन सक्छ। So just live one day at a time and just give fullest of your heart in whatever you do and just live every moment भन्छु कि म अहिले चाहिँ होइन। बिकज पहिला चाहिँ आई युज्ड टु बी द्याट पर्सन जो चाहिँ एकदमै प्लान गर्थेँ कि प्लान ए नभयो प्लान बी, भोलि यो गर्छु, यति बजी यो गर्छु, पछि यो गर्छु भन्ने यसरी प्लान गर्थेँ। तर फ्लेक्सिबल हुनु पर्दो रहेछ कि एकदमै। लाइक यु हेभ टु बी लाइक वाटर, जस्तै जे सिचुएसन आइपऱ्यो पनि यु हेभ टु बी एबल टु टेक इट होइन, म्युटेबल हुनु पर्यो। सो त्यो क्वालिटी चाहिँ यो जर्नीले चाहिँ मलाई सिकाएको छ। बिकज यु रिक्वायर्ड टु डु सो मेनी थिङ्स इन अ डे। अब अहिले तिमीसँग बोलिरहेको हुन्छु म, यसपछि म के गरिरहेको हुन्छु, लाइक 4 to 5 डिफ्रेन्ट रोल्स टु प्ले इन अ डे। सो यु हेभ टु बी भेरी के भन्यो अब फ्लेक्सिबल चाहिँ हुनु पर्दो रहेछ। तर लाइफमा मैले जे गरे पनि आई हेभ सो मेनी प्लान, सो मेनी यो गर्छु त्यो गर्छु भनेर छ। एउटा कुरा चाहिँ नाउ वाट आई रियली वान्ट इज I want to go home and have a sound sleep. That's it.
Right.
That's it. So when I get into my bed, Belka, I don't want to sleep with any regrets. I don't want to sleep with the feeling that I hurt someone or someone felt bad because of me. And I just want a peace of mind. That is the ultimate thing that I want in life. You know, it's not the के भने bigger things, materialistic things. यो गर्छु त्यो गर्छु त्यो त ambitious त हुनुपर्छ, which I am. अनि त्यो आफ्नै ठाउँमा छ, but लास्टमा चाहिँ हामी सबैले सिक गर्ने भनेको चाहिँ पिस अफ माइन्ड रहेछ। सो द्याट इज माई गोल फर नाउ। लाइक आइम नट हर्टिङ एनी वान, नट एक्सपेक्टिङ फ्रम एनी वान, आइम देयर फर माई सेल्फ एन्ड you know, just be that person who can inspire someone to do better in life.
Yes, obviously, I think it comes with experience, and when you start exploring things and when you see things, you know,
you grow wiser. You grow more mature
wiser.
and wiser.
Exactly. यति बेला चाहिँ हामी अर्को पनि एउटा छोटो फुटेज हेर्छौँ, and then we will be
What
right
is
back.
it this time? Well, I think अब चाहिँ मैले यो मोमेन्ट रिकल गर्दैछु कि। सो हामी अघि भर्खर अफ स्क्रिन कुरा गर्दा पनि हाम्रो बिकज हाम्रो त 15 डेज क्लोज क्याम्प भएको थियो। सो जुन हलमा त्यो इभेन्ट भएको थियो हाम्रो प्र्याक्टिस पनि एभ्री डे त्यही नै हुन्थ्यो होइन। सो मलाई चाहिँ त्यो जब फिनाले भइरहेको थियो नि, is this the real life or is it just fantasy भन्ने द्याट लाइन छ नि, द्याट वाज गोइङ अन इन माई हेड अल द टाइम कि। अनि बिहानैदेखि लाइक एभ्री वान कस्तो सबैजना आत्तिराख्नु भएको थियो नि त आज फिनाले भनेर। म त आई वाज लिसनिङ टु दिस सङ एक्चुली। म त मजाले रेडी भएर चिलमा यसरी फ्लोमा काम गरिरहेको थिएँ। अनि हुन्छ नि लाइक आई ह्याड बिन पुटिङ एफर्ट्स इन सो लङ। अब मजाले एफर्ट लाग्एको त झन् 2 वर्षदेखि हो होइन, स्टार्टिङ फ्रम वर्किङ अन माई बडी टु स्पिकिङ टु एभ्रिथिङ होइन। त्यत्रो एफर्ट एन्ड दि मोमेन्ट it passed by so quickly. यसरी गइरहेको थियो कि सबै कुरा। अनि I was not really able to process anything होइन। Most of the people ask me, why are you not smiling त्यो बेलामा भनेर होइन। लाइक यतिकै त I don't smile very often. I have एकदम न्युट्रल मान्छे हो कि म। लाइक के नराम्रो भयो पनि I am like this, के राम्रो भयो नि I am like this. I'm just like this all the time. So why are you not smiling and everything भन्दा?
Exactly.
So that was one reason. And the other reason was I couldn't process what was going on. कि okay, is this really happening भनेर त्यो प्रोसेस गर्नै गाह्रो भइरहेको थियो। तर when I recall now, I don't know, the feeling is just surreal, you know, like
Right.
dreams can actually come true and no dream is too big for you, Mansani.
Exactly.
So, because I come from a very simple family, Mansani, I got everything I could ask for. केही पनि कुराको चाहिँ मलाई कमी थिएन, तर some people used to tell me being a Miss Nepal is very big dream for you, and it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of your time, so you should
Right.
rather go to something else, हैन त्यसमा टाइम वेस्ट नगर मिडिया लाइनमा स्कोप छैन, आई थिंक यू
Right.
शुड गिभ अप भनेर कतिले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो, कहिलेकाहीँ हो कि जस्तो पनि लाग्थ्यो, बट यु जस्ट ह्याभ टु लिसन टु योर हार्ट, राइट, एन्ड
Exactly.
योर instincts are very powerful. Like I felt like 2020 was my year. I waited till December and it happened. And so you really have to listen to your heart, right? And अर्को कुरा चाहिँ you could see like Ria was crowning me, so
Right.
she's one of my very good friends now, हैन. She's always had my back, हैन. अहिले पनि जे कुरा परे पनि she's always there for me. In fact, my other sad sisters also, Priya देखि लिएर सबैजना Earth sisters देखि लिएर everyone is there for me. So we have this beautiful bond, हैन. अनि if I can say what are the best things that you've gained out of this
Right.
journey, Banda, a lot of things, and I think friendships and true connections, the people who you can connect with, it is so
Exactly.
important at this point
Shared
of time, हैन.
experience
अनि
बाट,
त्यो पनि भएको छ, so it's just moving forward in life, that's it.
राइट सो यही उसमा चाहिँ अब यही मिस नेपालको फिनाले पछि चाहिँ यु रिसिभड अ लट अफ कमेन्ट्स अबाउट वाइ यु वर नट स्माइलिङ भनेर अघि लाइक यु सेड हैन
yes.
अनि पिपल वान्टेड यु टु बिकम मिस नेपाल वर्ल्ड
yes,
and
yes.
people assumed कि you also wanted Miss Nepal world को crown अनि त्यो नपाएर चाहिँ you were dissatisfied
God,
त्यही
no,
भएर
no,
चाहिँ नहाँसेको भनेर चाहिँ धेरैजनाले allegations-हरू लाउनु भएको थियो
No,
हैन
no. So it was like I said earlier, the journey यति गाह्रो थियो कि एउटा पोइन्टमा त मैले आन्सर मात्र दिन सके पनि म खुसी हुन्छ जस्तो फिल भइसक्यो. इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट, इट इज सो ड्याम डिफिकल्ट, होइन. बरु अहिले इन्टरनेसनल पेजेन्टको लागि गाह्रो छ, बट यो सबै कुरा क्यालकुलेट गरेर गर्न सकिन्छ त्यो छ, बट मिस नेपाल इज भेरी डिफिकल्ट, होइन. अनि त्यो जर्नीमा हुँदाखेरि प्लस देयर आर 21 गर्ल्स, सबैजना एकसाइक हुनुहुन्छ, एभ्री वान इज सो गुड, कम्पिटिङ फर द सेम क्राउन, अनि हु एम आई जस्तो फिल हुन्थ्यो कि त्यो बेलामा त. सो मैले आन्सर मात्र राम्रोसँग दिन पाए पनि आई जस्ट गो होम एन्ड बी ह्याप्पी हुन्थ्यो. त्यो सोचिरहेको बेलामा when you get the crown, obviously you're happy, right? But सबैजनाको रियाक्सन सेम हुँदैन, होइन. Like I said earlier, I'm a very no reaction person, के लाइक बच्चादेखि मलाई त्यस्तै भन्नुहुन्थ्यो, कसैले गाली गरे पनि I am like this, कसैले तिमी कस्तो राम्रो छ भन्दा
there are no highs and lows of your mood के there's
yeah.
always एकदमै त्यो neutral.
Yes.
Personally म एकदमै धेरै reactive छु हैन. अनि म चाहिँ एकदम happy भयो भने देखि चाहिँ एकदम sad भयो देखि, but for with her
you
it's
know me,
always
like I'm just like this all the time. You can't really figure out what is going
it's like
on
it's
with
so
my
hard
mind.
to calculate
like
with
later
Supriya.
I tell people यस्तो यस्तो भयो भनेर म
Right.
भन्छु, but like त्यो देखिनेमा चाहिँ expression wise I'm
आज
very
मेरो
bad.
स्कुटर यस्तो भयो नि भनेर if मेरो स्कुटर उसको जस्तो भएको भए I would have panicked, I would have done हुन्छ नि एकदम elaborated sadness हुन्छ होला, but she's so neutral के when even mishapहरू हुँदाखेरि होस् अब राम्रो कुरा हुँदाखेरि पनि it's always so neutral.
Yes, it's just that's just me. अनि जहाँसम्म टाइटलको कुरा छ, it's like कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि there are 4 titles, right? अनि there are all 4 different titles, okay? So Miss Nepal World एउटा टाइटल हो,
Right.
Miss Nepal Earth एउटा हो, इन्टरनेसनल एउटा हो, सुपरनेसनल एउटा हो. सो इन्डिभिजुअली तपाईँ कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ, तपाईँको पर्सनालिटीलाई केले रेजोनेट गर्छ एन्ड वाट ब्रिङ्स द बेस्ट आउट अफ यु, अनि विच क्राउन इज द बेस्ट फर यु, त्यसरी चाहिँ गरिन्छ, होइन.
Right.
सो मिस नेपाल अर्थ भएपछि चाहिँ इट्स जस्ट brought out the best side of me. And I feel like I was made for this, you know. Advocacy has always been my thing. And Miss Earth is almost everything about advocacy. So त्यसरी नै गरिन्छ. अनि it's very nice of people who wanted the good for me. तर भन्नुपर्दा चाहिँ हामी चारैजना Miss Nepal हो, because we are crowned as Miss Nepal Earth, Miss Nepal World. So
there's no first, second,
yeah, there's
third,
no
fourth.
first, second, third. अब पहिला भए पनि the things have changed over time. Plus सबैजनाले नेपाललाई नै represent गर्ने हो बाहिर, सबैजनाले equally effort लाउनुहुन्छ नेपालको लागि नै. They want to make the best out of that opportunity, नेपाललाई राम्रोसँग represent गर्न पाऊँ भनेर चाहिँ सबैजनाले त्यही होप लिएर बाहिर जानुहुन्छ, हैन. अनि बाहिर जाँदाखेरि हामीलाई सुप्रिया, नम्रता, शिमन, सन्ध्या भनेर बोलाइदैन, नेपाल भनेर बोलाइन्छ. So we all are Miss Nepals, and I think that the beauty of being Miss Nepal is all about that, being able to represent your country, who you are, your people on international arena. So त्यसरी चाहिँ गरिन्छ. So everyone who like wished good for me, thank you so much, but it's just been an amazing journey so far, and because of your support, that's so just keep it coming.
Right, that's actually quite true. I know about सबैजना different titles हुन् त, they are not runner-ups अथवा they are not first, second, third, fourth. साथसाथै अब एउटा ट्रेन्ड अथवा प्याटर्न चाहिँ के देखिएको छ भन्दा धेरैजना फर्मर ब्युटी क्विन्सहरू चाहिँ अर्को प्याजेन्टमा नि कम्पिट गर्ने प्याटर्न्स अथवा ट्रेन्डहरू हामीले एक्जाम्पल्सहरू देखेको छौँ होइन. सो डु यु थिङ्क यु विल पार्टिसिपेट इन अनदर ब्युटी प्याजेन्ट in the future?
So because आफ्नो पर्सनल चोइस पनि हो, मैले चाहिँ पहिलेदेखि मलाई कतिजना चाहिँ अरू प्याजेन्टमा जानुहोस्, त्यसपछि बल्ल मिस नेपालमा जानुहोस्, द्याट वे यु विल गेट मोर एक्सपोजर एन्ड यु विल गेट मोर ग्रुम्ड भनेर भन्नुहुन्थ्यो. बट आई डिडन्ट गो टु एनी प्याजेन्ट्स. म गएँ भने मिस नेपालमा नै जान्छु, अनि द्याट इज दि ओन्ली प्याजेन्ट आइम गोइङ टु गो इन. अनि अब मिसहरू त भइ नै हाल्यो, इट कम्स बाई डिफल्ट होइन. सो नो पेजेन्ट्स आफ्टर दिस. इट्स जस्ट आई हेभ सम चोइसेस इन लाइफ that I need to focus on. So pageants are beautiful experience, hey, ma bhanchu, because there are so many diverse girls and everyone is one of their kind. You have so many things to learn from each other, so it just brings out, a different side of you, which is sisterhood ko kura garnu parda kheri competition jasto pani feel hudaina haina. So त्यो way it's a beautiful journey. तर मेरो value say it was just one and only pageant. I am done with it. So I think my choices are going to be different after this. But pageants are beautiful. I think every girl should participate in one pageant. एकचोटि चाहिँ.
Right. तर यस्तो पनि हुन्छ कि अब every girl might also want to participate in pageants. तर कुनै कुनैले enable पनि गर्दैन हैन. त्यसको criticismsहरू त छँदैछ. But I don't want to talk about it because यसको बारेमा धेरै कुरा भइसकेको छ हैन.
Can it's clarified also why and why not भन्ने कुरा clarify पनि भइसकेको छ. So it's just like that.
अनि अहिले चाहिँ अब there are pageants who appear to be inclusive पनि हैन. So maybe that's their choice, but I don't know. अब यो ब्युटी pageant चाहिँ हाम्रो सोसाइटीले निडेड छ कि छैन भनेर एकदम ठुलो क्वेशन्स पनि आउँछ हैन. So अब being a beauty queen हैन, you probably think अब you obviously think अब तपाईलाई राम्रो भइरहेछ भनेर, but I sometimes feel like beauty pageant चाहिँ सबैजनाले aspire गर्ने भए पनि सबैजना cannot participate भनेर चाहिँ त्यो एउटा क्रिटिसिजम चाहिँ छ मेरो साइडबाट पनि. But at the same time I feel like अब त्यो इन्स्टिट्युसनलाई नहेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ I feel like त्यसले चाहिँ individually womenहरूलाई चाहिँ empower गर्छ हैन.
And just look at all the amazing things beauty queens are doing हैन. मैले नम्रताको कुरा गरिहालेँ, प्रिया सिद्धि, she's the founder of Ate हैन. So inspiring. They're just मैले भने नि, it's not just about the crowd, it's not about the fancy gowns, it's not about the high heels that you're wearing, but when you go back to your house, when you go back to the society and what you are doing over there, what you're giving back, how many people are you inspiring? And if you are motivating someone to do better in life or not, which we definitely are. So beauty pageants hunu नै पर्छ because it's not just about us, but it's about what we give back also. So त्यही भएर पहिला भन्दा धेरै नै चेन्ज भएको छ अहिले. It's evolving with time and I'm sure it's going to get better. अनि जहाँसम्म क्राइटेरियाहरूको कुरा छ त्यो छ. अब it's like it's very sad. Audition पनि मैले कतिजना देखेको थिएँ, because of the height criteria they couldn't get in, अनि they were very sad and everything. एकदम नराम्रो लाग्यो मलाई. तर कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दा this is the reality of life. There are so many platforms, अनि सबै प्लेटफर्ममा सबैजना फिट इन हुन्छ भनेको छैन हैन. जस्तै अब if you apply for a job, there are certain criteria, right? जस्तै यति पढेको हुनुपर्छ, यो स्किल्सहरू हुनुपर्छ भनेर. सो हरेक कुराको क्राइटेरिया हुन्छ. If I got into beauty pageant doesn't mean I will get into something else also. So there is something special for you, there is something special for each and every individual. र आफूलाई चाहिँ म चाहिँ कता शाइन हुन्छु भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ हामीले आफै फिगर आउट गर्नुपर्छ हैन. Just because you cannot get into a beauty pageant doesn't mean you cannot do good in other things in life. So beauty pageant is not the entire ideology of a perfect woman. So there are so many other things that you can do, and that is what I would like to say to all the girls out there who are sad because they don't get into beauty pageants.
Right. So with this, we're at the end of the show.
Wow.
So
I didn't know time passed by so quick.
Time video. So before we go, I just want to quickly answer a short question. And so after your reign as Miss Nepal Earth is finished in अब यो year सकिन्छ, after you crown your successor, what are your plans? Kids' plans?
First, I want to travel because यस्तो भइरहेको छ. You're required to do so many things. आई थिङ्क आई निड टु गेट इन टच विथ माई पर्सनल सेल्फ अगेन हुन्छ नि त्यो एउटा क्लेन्जिङ गरेर हु एम आई भन्ने त्यो कुरा फिगर आउट गर्नु इज भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट बिकज इन अर्डर टु गो टु 100 यु निड टु स्टार्ट फ्रम 0 सो एउटा फेरि रिस्टार्ट बटन थिच्नुपर्ने बेला चाहिँ भएको हुन्छ त्यसपछि कम्प्युटरलाई फेरि प्रोसेस गर्ने हो सो आई थिङ्क आई विल ट्राभल अलोन नेपालमै ट्राभल गर्छु अफकोर्स अनि आई विल टक टु माई सेल्फ आई विल फिगर आउट वाट आई वान्ट टु डु एउटा क्लिन माइन्डसेट लिएर पोजिटिभ एटिट्युड लिएर चाहिँ अगाडि बढ्नेछु त्यसपछि आई थिङ्क आई विल कन्टिन्यू माई स्टडिज मिडिया लाइनमा त म हुन्छु नै यु विल अलवेज सी मी इन मिडिया लाइन hopefully in infotainment sector and like my next ke bhanne milestone maybe as a diplomat so the process when start huncha ani we hanging out
yeah obviously.
I'll be less busy so we can hang out again
sure obviously haina so with this se hami show ko end bhai sakeko chhau thank you so much for coming
today thank you so much for having me I had an amazing time over here
thank you so much for watching us ra bholi feri pani Chia Gaf ka sath hami aune नै छौं so until we meet again bye bye